Welcome to the Best Picks. The best rear speakers is probably one of the most significant upgrades you can make to your home theater setup. These speakers create a truly immersive audio experience, transporting you right into the heart of the action. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of rear speakers, exploring their benefits, and helping you choose the perfect set to complement your soundbar and elevate your entertainment. Number 5. Samsung SWA-9200S Wireless Rear Speaker Kit. Want a more immersive audio experience? This wireless rear speaker kit is designed to upgrade your soundbar system. It delivers true surround sound, bringing you into the heart of the action. Enjoy a clutter-free setup with this wireless solution. It easily connects to compatible Samsung soundbars, providing a seamless and immersive audio experience. Simply connect and enjoy. Setting up is a breeze. These speakers connect wirelessly to your soundbar. You can quickly pair them and enjoy the enhanced audio experience without the hassle of wires. These speakers are compatible with select 2023 and 2024 Samsung soundbars. Please ensure your soundbar model is listed to guarantee compatibility. It is designed to work with specific models for optimal performance. Create a cinematic experience in your home. This kit enhances your entertainment, bringing you closer to the action in your favorite movies, shows, and sports. It makes everything more engaging. Pairing is simple, just plug in and connect to your soundbar. You'll be enjoying surround sound in no time. It's a quick and easy way to upgrade your audio. Bring wireless sound to your Samsung Sound Plus soundbars. It offers a convenient way to enhance your audio setup. This system is designed to provide a great listening experience. What we like. If you're looking to upgrade your existing Samsung soundbar for a more immersive experience, this is a great choice. It offers a simple wireless setup, so you can quickly add rear speakers without cable clutter. This is perfect if you want to enhance your movie nights or gaming sessions with true surround sound. What people say. They paired easily, as did the sub. You have full control of the rear speaker's volume, and there are many settings for different modes of sound. DTS gives the rear speakers the most bang for the buck when it comes to volume and theater sound. Number 4. Samsung HW-Q990B 11.1.4 ch Soundbar. Experience Dolby Atmos wirelessly with this soundbar. It immerses you in sound, allowing you to hear audio from all directions for an unparalleled home entertainment experience. This soundbar fills the room with surround sound from every angle. You'll hear every detail, from car chases to airplanes, thanks to its multiple channels and up-firing speakers. Enjoy perfectly synchronized audio that fills your room. This feature uses every speaker in your compatible Samsung TV and soundbar to create a fully immersive experience. Get room-filling sound designed for your space. The soundbar analyzes the room and automatically calibrates the audio, including the bass, for a true-to-life experience. Fill the room with theater-like sound. The included rear speakers project audio above and around you, enhancing your listening experience. Control the soundbar with your voice using Alexa. You can also pair it with your iPhone or other iOS devices to easily play music. Enjoy dynamically optimized audio with enhanced voice clarity. This feature ensures you can easily follow along with action-packed games and movies. What we like. If you are a home theater enthusiast seeking the ultimate audio experience, this soundbar is for you. With its true 11.1.4 ch sound, it delivers immersive audio from every angle. The wireless Dolby Atmos further enhances the experience, creating a rich and unparalleled home entertainment audio experience. If you like a fully immersive sound experience, this is the one. What people say. The spatial imaging of the front and surrounds is clear, crisp, and accurate with good low-end bass without too much rumble. The Bluetooth connection to speakers is flawless with no lag, and integrated Q-Sound. Samsung TVs, you can tap into the existing TV speakers for more sound depth. The adaptive sound mode is excellent with several different presets to find the perfect sound for any program. Number 3. Samsung HW-Q990C Soundbar with rear speakers. This soundbar offers an immersive audio experience with its 1.1.4 channel system. It comes with rear speakers and supports Dolby Atmos, creating a cinematic soundstage. The soundbar delivers exceptional sound quality, enhancing your entertainment. It provides clear and detailed audio, making it perfect for movies, music, and games. This package includes the soundbar, rear speakers, and an additional year of coverage. It's a complete audio solution designed to elevate your home entertainment setup. With Dolby Atmos, the soundbar creates a multi-dimensional audio experience. It places sound all around you, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. This is a renewed unit, offering great value and performance. It has been inspected and restored to full working condition, ready to enhance your audio experience. The soundbar comes in a sleek Titan black finish. Its design complements any home entertainment setup, adding a touch of elegance. What we like. This renewed soundbar offers a premium audio experience with its 11.1.4 ch configuration and Dolby Atmos support. It comes with rear speakers for a truly immersive surround sound experience. If you want a high-quality sound system at a great value, this is a solid choice. What people say. Mostly plug and play. Now watching movies feel like I am in a theater. The Q series and the all-speakers TV and bar sounds as good as one would hope. Everything is well balanced and not too thin sounding like most bar systems. Number 2. Samsung HW Q990CZA Soundbar and Rear Speakers Bundle. This is a certified refurbished product, meaning it has been professionally restored. It shows limited to no wear and tear, ensuring it looks and functions like new. Enjoy a truly immersive audio experience with the Samsung 11.1.4 ch wireless Dolby Atmos soundbar and rear speakers. It will transform your living room into a home theater. The package includes the Samsung soundbar, rear speakers, an HDMI cable, a wall mount kit, a rubber foot, and a remote controller with a battery. Everything you need for a complete setup is included. This renewed bundle comes with all original accessories. You can expect it to be in excellent condition, ready to deliver premium sound. This bundle also includes a 2-year premium extended service protection plan. This will give you peace of mind knowing that it is protected. What we like. This renewed bundle provides a premium audio experience with its 11.1.4 ch configuration and Dolby Atmos support. It includes rear speakers for a truly immersive surround sound experience, and the added 2-year protection gives you peace of mind. If you are looking for a great value with added protection, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The sound is richer and fuller. Easy setup and the best sound for a Samsung sound system. Number 1. Samsung HW Q67CT 7.1 ch soundbar with wireless rear kit. The wireless rear speaker kit requires an AC power cord and physical speaker cables to connect to the rear speakers. This allows for a more immersive audio experience. You can connect 2 smart devices simultaneously, making it easy to switch between them. However, Bluetooth connections to mobile devices are unavailable when already connected to the TV. This soundbar connects via Bluetooth, letting you enjoy content without cables. However, we recommend using the included HDMI cable for the best sound quality and to avoid disruptions. For the best audio quality, connect it to a compatible HDMI ARC port using the included HDMI cable. Ensure your TV supports HDMI ARC for the optimal experience. This soundbar supports 3D surround sound, Samsung Acoustic Beam, Game Pro mode, and Q Symphony. These features enhance your audio experience. What we like. If you appreciate a soundbar that offers a balance of features and convenience, this is a great option. The Acoustic Beam technology provides a wide soundstage, and the included wireless rear kit enhances the surround sound experience. It also offers Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to easily stream audio from your devices. If you like a versatile soundbar with easy connectivity, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent sound quality. Very easy to connect all the components and the sound is so much richer than the last 2 sound systems I've had. We got this because the rear speakers do not have to be connected to TV. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.